Hello everyone, this is Frank. On this video, we are going to review how to redirect calls to another phone number. Now we can set up call forwarding with just one Studio widget to divert calls to your personal or business number. Now we'll start with the fresh Twilio Studio flow. Now what we need to do is to go into your Twilio account and we'll need to navigate to the Studio dashboard, which in this case is here, but if you don't have a pen here, you can just go to the three dots. You'll find it right here. Now, then we need to tap on the plus sign located here to create a new flow. Now, we can name this flow as anything you like. Well, we're just going to call ours call forwarding. And then we need to hit next. Now in here, we're going to select the start from scratch. And then you'll notice that the canvas comes with a widget already in place. Now that's the trigger widget, which kicks off our flow when the trigger we specify is fired. Now in this case, our trigger is going to be an incoming call, which is this one right here. Now this flow only requires one additional widget, which is the connect call to, located here. So what we need to do is to drag onto the canvas. And then the next step will be to connect the dot from the incoming call trigger to the dot in the upper left corner of the new widget, like this. Now, on the sidebar, we need to select a single number, like this. And then we need to enter the number that we need to, where we want to forward the call. Now in here, we can just enter the widget name, which in this case is going to be forward call. Now you may also specify the caller ID, but we're going to leave it with the default for this example. Then we can choose whatever for these options, and then we just need to hit save. Now the canvas is set up, and we can just press publish to update the flow, and we're ready to move on. Now we're going to connect the flow to a Twilio number, so we can set up the forwarding to your personal line. So what we need to do is to navigate to phone numbers, located here. And then we need to select, let me just refresh the page. And then we need to select the number you'd like to forward from. So we're gonna select this number, which we have here. Then we just need to scroll down to voice and fax section and select the webhooks. There we go. I'm gonna select this option. And then we're gonna select from the drop down, select Studio Flow as we have it here. And then we're gonna select the one that we just created, which is call forwarding. Now that we've chosen the flow, then the next step would be just to hit save here. And then wait for the confirmation that it's been saved successfully. Here we go. Now it's time to test it out. So let me go ahead and call the number so we can test it out. Here we go. And it's working correctly. I just answered the call. Maybe I'll get in, show you here on the record. And we can see here the call that I just made, that it was from my number to the number that we dialed, and then it completed the call since you can see the both are my numbers since I called myself. That's it. Thank you for watching.